Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious popsicle cake. First, gather your ingredients: a baked cake, your favorite frosting, candy melts, and popsicle sticks. We'll transform these into fun, handheld treats. The process involves crumbling cake, mixing it with frosting, shaping, and then decorating. It's a creative way to enjoy cake, perfect for parties or a sweet surprise. To begin, ensure your cake is fully cooled. You can bake a cake from your favorite recipe or use a pre-made one. Once cool, crumble the entire cake into very fine pieces using your hands or a food processor. Next, add frosting, starting with about 1/4 cup, mixing until the crumbs hold together like a soft dough. You want it moist enough to shape, but not sticky. Now let's shape our cake pops. Roll the mixture into uniform oval or rectangular shapes, roughly 3-5 inches long. Melt your candy melts according to package directions. Dip the tip of a popsicle stick into the melted candy, then insert it about halfway into a cake shape. This acts as glue. Place them on parchment paper and chill for 15 minutes to firm up before dipping them completely. Once dipped, quickly add any sprinkles or decorative drizzles before the candy coating hardens. Allow them to set completely by chilling for at least 30 minutes. These delightful treats are best served cold and can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, see the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade popsicle cakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.